Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf. So this is a quick trade update video on Bitcoin, Ethereum and also crude oil. If you follow me on my crude oil, you already know I'm in a trade. I will discuss each and everything. So first of all, I'm on the Bitcoin's weekly time frame. If you have watched my previous short video, I told you guys about the candle losing momentum scenario right here, that this is a big bullish candle, then a small one, and the time when I recorded my past video, this was a small green candle, but as you can clearly see, just few hours remaining before this weekly candle closing and it has turned red. This means there is some sellers pressure, and in the upcoming next 2 days obviously there will be no volume because it's weekend, and next week we can see some kind of a bearish pressure as well. If the bears continue their sell off, then we can clearly see a dump next week, that's for sure. So let's see what happens right now. Better to just wait, and the market is currently sideways only, so not much any setup to trade right now. So same is with the Ethereum. I'm on the weekly time frame, and look, exactly the price of Ethereum came near my purple support zone. This weekly candle, last week weekly candle closed below my resistance zone actually, and this week candle also you can clearly see forming a doji, and it went all the way up till $4,000 but is getting rejected, and maybe it will close below this level only. So this signifies that this whole level is a very important level from 3,800 to $4,000 level. This is a very important level right there, very important resistance for Ethereum right now. So let's see what happens, because the Ethereum spot ETF got approved, that's why we saw a huge pump towards the upside. Let's see what happens next week. According to price action, there may be a dump, but if I draw a Fibonacci level from this top to this low, then you can clearly see here is the exact important resistance level from where the Ethereum's price is getting rejected. But not only this, if I draw a level from here all the way up till here, then you can clearly see the whole 0.5 and 0.618 zone is somewhat near my this support zone only, from $2,700 to $2,500, and the price of Ethereum has exactly touched the 0.5 level. Look at this level right here, this green level right here. Price of Ethereum has exactly touched it right here, and then reversed back up towards the upside. So obviously right now the price of Ethereum is in a very bullish pressure, but let's see what happens next week. It all depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum only, because they both follow each other. So if one pumps, then other will pump, and then the whole crypto market will follow them only. In the end, I am on the crude oils chart, and if you remember, we took many profitable trades right here, but our recent one trade, that was our past one trade, got a loss, which I entered over here. I hope you all remembered that occurred in a loss, and yeah, it did not end up very well. But right now, if you can clearly see, I found a good opportunity and a setup to enter in long for crude oil. Why? First of all, it is already dumping a lot. From the past couple of days it is dumping only. You can clearly see high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So recently it made a new lower low right here. This was a new lower low, and first I decided to enter over here only, but I missed this move. So then I waited for the price to come back for a retest of this trend line, because you can clearly see this is a very important trend line right here. Price of crude oil has done a breakout of it, so I was waiting for a retest of this trend line. Also, if you look closely, I hope you remember this white support and resistance zone right here, very important level. Wait a second, just right here, this very important support and resistance zone from 78.16 to 79.07. This is also a very important zone from where the price of Ethereum can get a pump towards the upside. That's why I decided to go long from here, because I was having some confluences on my setup. So let's see what happens right now. I am currently on a 1:2 trade and my take profit is $82.15, which is approx here, and my stop loss is at $75.02 right here. Let's see what happens. Even if this trade goes against me, it's okay, because I will book a small amount of loss only, because I'm managing my trade very well with proper risk and money management, and I would advise you guys to do the same as well. So let's see what happens, because tomorrow and the day after tomorrow is weekend, Saturday and Sunday, so crude oil will be closed, crypto will be sideways, no volume. Let's see what happens the next week. So yeah, I mean, the whole month of May has been kind of sideways for crypto only, and it is closing in positive, in green, but I would say kind of sideways only, not much green or not much red. Let's see what happens in the month of June and the next week as well. So yeah, if you want to trade Bitcoin, Ethereum or any other crypto you want, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description and in the pinned comments. You can get up to $30,000 deposit gift. So yeah, I mean, you can create an account for free and start trading. And if you want to trade crude oil or Forex or maybe silver and gold, then you can do that on XNES. Link of XNES is in the description. You can get up to $1,000 deposit gift, and obviously you can start by creating an account for free as well. Hope you understand it. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.